hindi pa pala binibigay kay Michelle D yung award niya na Voice for Change. Kaya ang tanong, if not now, then when ibibigay yung award kay Michelle D kasi malapit na ang next edition ng Miss Universe na gaganapin na sa Mexico this November na. Kaya maraming pageant fans ang naloka. Kasi bakit hanggang ngayon hindi rin pa pala naibigay kay Michelle D yung award prize na yan? Napaka-respetado at napakalaking company ang Miss Universe organization, pati na yung isa sa mga pinakamalaking sponsors na muawad na designer ng Miss Universe crown. So, anong nangyari? Napaka-shocking revelation talaga ito na hindi natin inaasahan. It's because nag-post si Michelle D na sinabi niya, the Voice for Change Award was undoubtedly one of the most important and the most personal award to encompass my journey. So as you all know, my brothers and those on the autism spectrum have been a lifeline of support and passion for the things that I do, even before my 7-year pageant journey started. But of course, winning wouldn't have been possible without the hashtag Bayanihan spirit, which didn't come cheap. At present, I'm still waiting for the release of VFC or Voice for Change Award, and I'm hoping that they do before the next set of winners will come sa November na, kaya medyo malapit na siya. Definitely excited to learn more about the advocacies the delegates are championing for though. All love. Ayan. So, yan yung revelasyon ni Michelle D. Napaka-realistic din yung advocacy ni Michelle D at very consistent ever since na nag-start siya sa pageant, such as nagsimula siya sa Miss World Philippines at ngayon sa Miss Universe Philippines naman. Kasi nga, realistically speaking, inulit ko na naman yung word na meron siyang 2 kapatid na na-diagnose with autism spectrum disorder. And she want to raise awareness to educate everybody na kung gaano ka-challenging magkaroon ng family member with autism spectrum. Kasi yung iba sa atin or yung ibang family na hindi ganong kalawak yung pagkakaintindi nila, how to become more patient, yung ganon, how to take good care of their family member with autism spectrum para ma-enlighten. So, yun yung ginagawa ni Michelle D and nakipag-connive din siya sa mga organizations, orphanage, mga ganyan such as the Philippine Autism Organization para to boost yung awareness. Pero, ang challenge dito is yung funds sana na in-award sa kanya is still yet to come. O, diba? So, sana may ma-award na sa kanya para maipagpatuloy pa o kaya ma-strengthen pa at mapalawak pa yung mga recipients sa mga sinusuportahan niyang mga grupo, especially sa mga merong autism spectrum disorder. Pero, agad-agad namang to the rescue ang Miss Universe organization at naglabas sila ng statement katulad nito via Miss Universe Philippines. Tapos, ang sinabi niya dito, on the Voice for Change Award para kay Michelle D, we are excited that this week, Michelle Marquez D will go to the Autism Society of the Philippines to present her Voice for Change Award. Even after her Miss Universe stint, MMD remains a staunch ally of her advocacy, a sign of her solid commitment to advance her causes, a real queen indeed. So the admin and accounting personnel assigned have resolved with account to deposit the prize to. And thank you, Michelle and ASP, for giving voice to and a bigger platform for such a worthy cause. Thank you to the Miss Universe organization for amplifying the voice of women around the world. This clearly demonstrates that Miss Universe organization practices what it preaches on the cause of women empowerment. I am not sure sa mga ibang awards na natanggap ni Michelle D if naunang naka-receive, no? Or baka later or baka isasabay sa award niya dun sa Voice for Change. So, ito was posted November 20, 2023 na kung saan, ayan, makikita nyo sa Carnival Newsroom sa app nila, Miss Universe Philippines, Michelle D receives Spirit of Carnival Award. Meron kasi ibang mga company na binibigay nila agad yung award, ura-urada mismo after the announcement. Meron din mga ibang organization na siguro at a later medyo late lang ng konti. Pero may mga companies din talaga na hanggang award lang doon sa entablado, pero kapag yung mga incentives na award, yung iba kasi medyo hindi ko alam kung may binibigay or wala. Pero at least no, nagkaroon ng award ang isang candidate na napipili nila. Malapit na ang Miss Universe na gaganapin na sa November. So, 2 months away from now, yung pageant na yan na gaganapin sa Mexico. So, eto na yung mga nagbabagang predictions, mga hot picks by different pageant pages or pageant groups. So, makikita nyo yung kanilang top 10 picks, yung iba naman top 15, tsaka may mga nakita ako na top 5 din or parang dumami din na top 30, mga ganyan. So, abangan natin kung ano yung mga susunod na ganap sa Miss Universe. So, yung tentative date na sinabi is November 1st magi-start hanggang November 16. But then, hindi natin alam kung baka mag-change yung schedule dates. So, abangan na lang natin yung susunod na announcement ng Miss Universe organization. And that's all for now regarding our pageant news updates. So, siguro lalabas ulit ako ng pre-arrival favorites siguro next month. Ayan. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day and follow nyo na lang ako sa aking mga social medias. So, always think positive.